Wish I had that money problem. Just leave your Ferrari outside in the snowbank.
Well, the Rocket Ranger, it's got a leaky power steering line and it needs to be fixed. So this power steering line here had a little bit of wiggle to it. I didn't think it was rusty, and it turns out I was right. But anyways, it's just this O-ring at the end. It's getting all dried out. It's pretty well nothing left of it. Well, I'm gonna use this little gizmo just to make sure there's no debris before I put it back together. Well, one thing you can do, just take a screwdriver, make sure it's clean, and just make sure there's nothing stuck in the rack. Well, you can just see it. Nothing there, so it's all good. But I'm gonna take a cloth and wipe it out anyways, just to make sure it's all good. But there's no, say if the line was rotted, nothing rotted off and was stuck in there. Or, you know, dirt could get in there if the angle is right when you're taking it apart, but it's all good. 407 O-rings. Well, there better be one that I need. If not, I'm not going to be a happy camper. And just kind of rolled over just like that. And put your line back on. Get that little gizmo there that holds the line down. Also, don't forget that little gizmo holds that line on there. Well, no more leaks. There anyways. One thing too, let it run for a couple minutes and then top up your fluid, because it'll probably work out a little bit of air too in the system. Well, till next time, have a good one.